Growing from mechanical keyboards has shown how enthusiasts value precision, durability, and performance. Just as typists and gamers evaluate switch type, build quality, layout, and value, homeowners and DIYers seek the same balance when choosing an air compressor. List number 1. The Klutch 20-gallon air compressor offers a robust balance between capacity and portability, making it a good choice for small to mid-sized home garages. Powered by a reliable 2 HP motor, it delivers enough air pressure for tasks like inflating tires, running nailers, impact wrenches, and spray painting. While not a full 30-gallon unit, its 20-gallon tank gives users extended runtime without frequent cycling. One of its best features is its cast-iron oil lubricated pump, which ensures longer life and efficient performance under heavy use. The compressor can reach pressures up to 135 psi, giving you flexibility to power a wide range of tools. Its vertical design saves space in tight garages, and built-in wheels make it easier to maneuver. While it isn't as quiet as some oil-free models, the durability and steady airflow make up for the noise factor. For DIY mechanics, woodworkers, or homeowners looking for a reliable mid-sized compressor, the Klutch 20-gallon is a practical investment that delivers steady power and long-lasting build quality. List number 2. The BOSTITCH 6-gallon air compressor is an excellent entry-level option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who don't need industrial-grade capacity. Compact and lightweight, this pancake-style compressor is highly portable and easy to store in a home garage. Despite its smaller size, it delivers up to 150 psi, making it effective for tasks like inflating tires, brad nailing, and stapling. Its oil-free pump is maintenance-free, which means users don't need to worry about regular oil checks or messy upkeep. The included kit often comes with accessories, making it a beginner-friendly solution for quick projects. Noise output is moderate at around 78.5 dBA, which is manageable for garage use without being overly disruptive. Of course, with just a 6-gallon tank, this compressor isn't suited for long-duration, high-demand tools like sanders or paint sprayers. Still, list number 3. The California Air Tools CAT 4710W is designed for those who prioritize quiet operation without compromising on performance. Its 1.0 HP motor runs at only 1680 RPM, producing just 60 dBA of sound, making it one of the quietest compressors available. This makes it ideal for garage settings where noise reduction is essential. The 4.7-gallon tank is smaller than traditional 30-gallon units, but it fills quickly thanks to its efficient oil-free dual-piston pump system. It delivers 2.0 CFM at 90 psi, suitable for airbrushing, brad nailing, inflating, and light-duty air tools. Since it's oil-free, maintenance is minimal, saving time and cost in the long run. Equipped with wheels and a lightweight frame, the CAT 4710W is easy to transport around the garage or between job sites. It's not intended for heavy-duty mechanics or continuous industrial use, but for everyday garage projects, it's incredibly user-friendly. Nurses, list number 4. DEWALT's 6-gallon pancake air compressor is a compact yet powerful tool for garage projects. With a maximum pressure of 165 psi and 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, it delivers consistent performance for tasks such as framing, finish nailing, stapling, and inflating. The oil-free pump ensures low maintenance and long service life. Its pancake design offers great stability, and the lightweight build makes it easy to carry or store in a tight garage space. Noise levels hover around 75.5 dBA, which is fairly quiet compared to traditional compressors of its class. DEWALT also provides a durable construction with protective roll cage design, ensuring long-term reliability. While the 6-gallon tank won't match the continuous runtime of a true 30-gallon model, it's ideal for homeowners who need a balance between portability and power. List 9. The WEN AP6092 air compressor is another excellent 6-gallon pancake-style option built for convenience and affordability. With a maximum 150 psi,
It provides reliable airflow for smaller garage tasks,
such as stapling, tire inflation, and nail guns. Its oil-free pump requires virtually no maintenance, making it beginner-friendly. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to move around the garage or transport to a job site. Despite its size, the compressor recovers quickly, so users don't waste time waiting for pressure buildup. WEN also includes dual pressure gauges and quick connect couplers, simplifying tool switching. The noise level is moderate, and while it isn't designed for heavy-duty or continuous professional use, it offers solid performance for the price. For homeowners who occasionally need a reliable compressor but don't want to invest in a bulky 30-gallon system,